It's Wednesday right now. I'm going to EDC this weekend. I fly out tomorrow morning and then I go right to Portugal and then to Ibiza. So it's gonna be a 2-week long vacation, which I need, except my flight leaves at 7 a.m. tomorrow, which means I have to be at the airport at 5:30 and JFK is like an hour away. And you guys know my sleeping patterns, so I may just not sleep at all today because I have a lot of packing to do. As always, I left all the packing for the last day, so please come suffer with me as I pack for this 2-week long trip. I only have a little bit of time right now because I have work soon and then I'm gonna hit the gym and then I'll be back and then I'll be packing probably until I need to leave for the airport. So I really hope I don't forget anything. The craziest part about wanting to go to EDC and then straight to Europe is like, it's so different. Like EDC, you need specific things. Like I need a hydro pack. I have all this candy and the guy I bought EDC tickets from like gave me a bunch of candy with the purchase. So I guess I'll bring as many of these as I can. Passport, cannot forget that because I didn't get my real ID. Okay, sue me, New Jersey did not have enough appointments available and obviously I waited till the last second. Got some bracelets, laptop charger, deodorant, phone charger eventually after I charge my phone. And then I have all these sunglasses. I think I'm gonna bring the blue pair and one of these brown pairs. I feel like these two are the same aviators, so maybe I'll get these. I got these in Italy actually. Also, did you guys notice my Italia shirt? I also got this, guess where, in Italia. Do I look Italian with this on? I get Italian sometimes, it's weird. I'm Indian. Honestly, maybe I should bring all 3 sunglasses because I lose them immediately. Like if I'm going to the beach, which I will be, they're gonna wash away immediately. So, but maybe I can just buy new sunglasses there because Portugal sunglasses. Also, I'm gonna have no room. My packing list is insane. Do you wanna see it? I need to get my hydro pack. I also need to stop by Target after work if I have time. I was also gonna get a haircut, but maybe I'll just be okay with it. It's not that bad, like by my standards, because I just don't know if I'll have time. But from Target, if I can make it, I need to get travel shaving cream and travel razors. I also want to bring this gimbal because you know the travel vlogs are coming, and then my tripod would also be nice because I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll need the tripod, but I have a feeling I'm gonna have to leave one or both of these. I'll definitely bring my mics. You'll see the problem later when I pack. I have way too many clothes is the issue. You can tell in my background. Look at these are all of my clothes. So packing those is gonna be the problem later. And I also wanted to bring 2 pairs of shoes. I'm gonna wear my Allbirds. I'll show you my Allbirds. They're like drying right now because I was running in the rain yesterday, and I feel like these are shoes that I can like comfortably wear and also use for running if I go to the gym or if I just want to go on a run in Portugal. And I was gonna bring a pair of nice white shoes that I can wear, like I guess when we go out, and then I was gonna bring 1 pair of boat shoes, like for the beach, if we go on a boat. But I think we're gonna go on a boat. We need to. We also haven't planned a lot of this trip, as you can tell, because it's EDC, and then so everything is all over the place right now. I actually still don't have a return flight from Ibiza, so I might be stuck there for a little bit, so maybe I should pack more, but I have no room. Today's gonna be fun. I'm glad you're with me. Also gonna bring my swim goggles and my swim cap, because if I'm going to tropical locations, I may as well swim, and you never know when you'll need it. I've gotten really into swimming recently because of my back injury, so I think it'll be like, fun swimming, like actually in the ocean. What if I just walk into the airport security like this? How do I look? Okay, it's raining outside. I really hope it does not rain in Vegas or Portugal because I'm not planning on bringing a raincoat. All right, let's go. We got work and then Target if there's time. Perfect timing.
is officially like 9 hours until my plane takes off for 2 weeks, and that means 6 hours until I have to leave my apartment, and that means I'm not sleeping tonight because I still have to do all of my packing. But I was able to hit the gym, get my work done, and hit Target, so semi-win, I guess. Okay, so I also bought safety pins from Target because I heard there was a way to hem your pants with safety pins, and I did not have time to go to the tailor. So I'm trying that right now, but you can still see the safety pins, so I think I messed up. And this also took me like 30 minutes to do, and that's only one side of one pair of pants, and I have 4. So I think I'm just gonna drop this because at this point I only have a couple hours left to pack, and maybe I'll try to find a tailor in Vegas or Europe. All right, so the secret to packing a lot of clothes is to roll them. I know, I didn't believe it at first either, but you can literally fit double the amount of clothes you normally would if you roll them. I think this is what I'll just wear to the airport. I don't know if I want this one. Definitely need these shorts. And I'm just gonna take the tags off because that's just gonna take up more space. The tighter you roll them, the better they fit in the suitcase. Also, the wrinklier they are, so places I'm going to better have an iron. I hate when clothes have tags like inside the clothing. Like what is going on? All right, check this out. I got like 14 shirts, 3 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of pants, and like 3 pairs of shorts. I'm trying to decide my 3rd pair of pants. I got these blue ones, then I got these new blue ones. These ones are like lighter. I think they'd be better for like Spain. Okay, just kidding. These are more like gray. I think I'll stick with the blue ones. Okay, that concludes my shirts, pants, and shorts. I officially have a million outfits for this trip. Whatever space is left is gonna be activewear and nighttime clothes. I do not underestimate this bag. It's I feel like I always somehow fit stuff. Okay. Don't let me down now, bag. Let's go. Oh my god. Legendary. Honestly, I'm definitely getting stopped at the airport. Now all we gotta do is fit my underwear, socks, and everything else in my personal item. Okay, I cleaned my white shoes, at least a little bit. These laces are annoying me. And I need to fit those and these also in my personal item. Don't worry though, this bag never lets me down. Oh, I also need to take 2 laptops, my work laptop and my personal laptop. Oof. I wonder if I should do it this way or this way. I feel like one on top of the other. Like sandwiched is probably best, right? I don't want to ruin these though. I like just bought these. Okay, I found a plastic bag. Rare sight in this economy. But takes up less space. Okay. Alright, I can already tell I'm gonna have to make some sacrifices with the rest of the stuff. Alright, now for all the smaller stuff. Travel deodorant, razor blades, shaving cream, Tide pen, and sunscreen because I keep forgetting to put that on. Also, earplugs. I'm gonna take these out and put it in a Ziploc. I don't know how many pairs this is. Is this too much? Oh my god, I almost forgot about my hydro pack. This is a must for EDC. Operation Fit This In. And I'm also gonna throw in this sleep mask. And I think the travel pillow, I think I can just put this on top of my carry-on. Just hook it there. Easy hack. And I'll throw in a couple ping pong balls just in case we play any games. Although these are probably just gonna get smushed immediately. So for EDC, they give me all of this like nonsense, like stickers and stuff. I don't know. I don't have room for any of this. Oh my god, this is crazy. Just so extra for no reason. I hope the $500 I paid wasn't to fund that whole thing, because all I need is the wristbands, GA obviously, because I'm broke, and that's all I have room for here. Last couple jewelries items here, and then I think we're good. Okay, so I definitely can't fit both my tripod and my gimbal. Gimbal is smaller, so I'll be happy just fitting this. And after that is my mic and my portable drive and my laptop. And I wanted to bring this beach towel. This is probably the last thing I'll put in there if I have room. And yeah, since all I have left is vlogging equipment, be prepared for the rest of this video's quality to just shoot down. Okay. It's 4:30. Flight leaves in 2.5 hours. I need to be out in like 10 minutes, and I still gotta put my laptop in my bag. Chat, we are so cooked. We gotta rearrange a little bit. Took one shoe out. Bag is closed. Let's see if we can close this one. This is literally just the most goated bag of all time. I just smushed it in there, and there is absolutely no way I'm bringing this beach towel. I'm sad because it's such a nice beach towel. I even thought about, I took out a couple shirts so I could fit in that one shoe, but it's just, there's nothing I can do. I don't even think I could take any of this candy, to be honest. What a waste. I'll wear a little bit of it. I'll wear like 2 of them. Okay, the flight takes off in just over 2 hours. Let's go. We have really stretched this personal item. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is massive. I got the 2 sides filled up. May need to hide it when I get there, but right now I just want to make my flight. If I need to pay for the carry-on, the extra carry-on, I'll pay for the extra carry-on, I guess. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Not good for the back. Oh, we'll figure it out. And the next subway is in 30 minutes. So I just called an Uber. I saw this TikTok that was like, oh, you book a 5 a.m. flight because you save $50 and then you spend $100 on the Uber. Yeah, I feel like that right now. But we're not quitters. I just booked an Uber share, so it's only $50. Okay, my Uber driver clutched up hella. He like flipped someone off, cut people off, did the Jersey slide, and he got us here on time. We got 15 minutes to spare.
One more time, think about me.
Once again, thanks for choosing Frontier Airlines and enjoy your 5-hour and 14-minute flight over to Las Vegas.
Think about me.